It's recording.
Is it going? Is it? Hey, is it recording? I can't see.
Reel this in. Hold on, watch his line, watch his line, watch his line.
What line?
Go, go, go. No, you go. You go. Bring your rod down. All right. Here you go, Joe.
No, Joe.
Get that great white. Pull up on your rod and then el aire está suelto.
No, así es.
¿Así es? Oh, okay. ¿Es de dos piezas o qué?
Empieza así, termina por abajo.
Ah. Una primera. Pull up on rod and reel down.
Pull up, reel down.
Yeah.
You get one?
Pull up. Huh?
Did you get one?
You got one, yeah. Pull them up and reel down on the way down. Then reel all the way down. There you go. Then pull up and reel on the way down. Joe got lost. He was at Lower Laguna. He ended up in Costa Rica all of a sudden. Get that trout. That's just a little trout. Well, that one don't want to come up. He got some weight on that one. That's more than a fish stick. That's one of them McFishes. Oh, get that rod, hold it on top. Can't let go of the rod, you gotta dive in, dive in.
Stabilize your feet. There you go, Joe.
It's only been 3 minutes. Now get closer.
I bet you it seems like it's been 30.
I know. His shoulder says stop. He said no.
Phone's dying out. It's been that long.
Reel.
Come on,
Reel.
man. Come on, baby.
Keep that rod tip up.
There you go.
Keep that rod tip up. Yeah, stay like that.
There you go. Like
Keep
that.
him up.
You can fight him.
All right, reel. He's going back to it. There you go. Nice and slow.
See him.
You gotta make love to it, bro. Don't bust up your knuckles. We got color or no? You got him, bro? You got him? Don't let him give. Don't give him nothing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's tired now. Look at him.
Yeah, boy.
He's tired out.
Come on, Sarge. There you go, reel on the way down. Pull up.
Now reel.
Reel. Yeah, there you go.
Hand on him.
Nice and slow. Making love. It ain't a quickie. Back here. Oh, you're taking drag. No, keep it. Hold it up top. Don't let it go, bro. Yeah, hold it up top. Higher on this side.
Reel.
Yeah, hold that left hand higher and push against it. Yeah, don't let them beat you.
Slow.
There you go. Now reel down on the way down. And pull that motherfucker back up. There you go. Come on. You got him, bro. You got him. Yeah, don't let him beat you. Nice and slow. Put your knees against the boat. Put your knees against the boat.
Yeah, use it as leverage.
Yeah, leverage. You're like a big anchor. They got to get the big gaff now. Come on. You see a little color. Come on. Don't lose them. Pull up. There you go.
Back a little bit.
Keep the side line tight. Don't reel anymore. Just reel a little bit wherever he tells you. I got you.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one right there. Shit.
This.
That's a nice one, Hugo.
Yeah? Good.
Oh yeah.
I see that big sucker. Dang,
No, está bien ahí.
big one.
That's a good one. Yeah, he's got him.
Oh. Whoa! Look at that big daddy.
Oh man, no more.
That's what I'm talking about, Joe.
Hey,
Joe from
it's
South
still
Texas.
filming.